Hey everyone! Welcome to another how-to crypto tutorial. In today's video, we're going to show you how to locate your Binance referral ID. So obviously, the first thing you need to do is download the Binance app and create an account. If you are living in the United States, make sure you download the Binance US app. Once you have created an account, open the app, which will bring you to the home page. Click on the icon of a person in the top left corner to display your personal profile information. At the very top of the page, you can see the full name associated with your account, the email you registered with, and your referral ID number. This is the number you will want to use when referring friends to join Binance. Currently, Binance offers $10 per successful referral. However, in order to earn the reward, newly registered users must complete at least $100 in trades within the first 30 days of account activation. Below this information, there is an area to send referral invites. Click the image that says Invite Friends to open the referral section of the application. Displayed here is your referral ID, a custom referral link, and also buttons to share your referral invitation or to send a referral link directly to your phone's contacts. Any of these options can be used to successfully refer new members. Thanks for watching this video. If it was useful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials.